In this video, I will show you how to create a measuring point and start measuring using your swarm according to the ISEE guideline. After you've created your Honeycomb account, according to the How to Create a Honeycomb Account video tutorial, you will end up on the measuring point overview as you see here. Go to the top of your menu and choose Create Measuring Point and enter the unique name of your swarm to identify which swarm you want to attach to this measuring point. Also give it a unique name and then scroll down to the swarm settings where you can choose the guideline. In my case, the ISEE guideline, and I will be measuring on a drywall. My threshold for saving data will be set to 8 mil or 0.008 inch, and I will also want to store values below the threshold, which is optional and will cause me to consume a little bit more battery. For any of the other settings, refer to the guidelines that you're using. In this case, the defaults are according to the ISEE standard, but you can change certain settings. For instance, you could start also measuring the peak particle acceleration or the peak vector sum if you wanted to. Note that if you do so, it will consume again more battery, and the Honeycomb will warn you about this, but it is still possible to do whatever you want this swarm to measure for you. Scroll back up and click Save, and then there you have your measuring point created. If you go back to the overview, you will see now your swarm in the overview, when it made last contact, and if you have connected it to a battery, what the battery charge is. Most importantly, is it online or not? This is how to create a measuring point. Watch any of the other videos to learn more about all the options of the Honeycomb.